Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a domestic and wild animal known for its ability to survive in harsh desert climates, often friendly to humans. They are commonly found in the deserts of the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as camel, camel, camel. Camels are known for their humps, which store fat, allowing them to survive long periods without food and water. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about camels, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.